Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. I'm joined here today with our lead writer of the ClassicCars.com journal, Diego Rosenberg, and we're standing in front of a 1997 Oldsmobile Aurora. This one is a little bit special though. Diego, do you want to fill us in on what exactly we're looking at today?
Sure. So the Aurora, which was Oldsmobile's premium sedan, in some ways a replacement for the Toronado, they chose that to pace the race in Indianapolis in 1997 and 2000 a few years later, although that was the redesigned version. So this car has a 4-liter dual overhead cam V8. It was rated at 250 horsepower, I believe, which doesn't sound like much today for a 4-liter dual overhead cam V8, but back then that was pretty good. And they didn't have to modify this car to pace the races. In the older days, of course, they needed to do that to make sure it could get up to speed. But by the 90s, there was enough power, they didn't really need to do that. So all that has been redone on this car to make sure it can pace, handle its duties in the race. The special paint job, of course. The light bar in the back. Inside they've got some seatbelt harnesses and a roll cage. But other than that, this is just a stock Aurora, which isn't much to some people, but on the other hand, pace cars are always cool. Always cool.
Yeah. And how many of these were available for the public?
This is one car that they didn't make any pace car replicas for the public.
Interesting. Do you know why that is?
No, some years they did it, some years they didn't, but I don't think a 4-door sedan is really something that people are keen on snapping up for collector value.
That's a fair point. Now, another cool pace car that we saw was the 1983 Buick Riviera.
Yeah, which I think was also another unusual choice. It's front-wheel drive for starters, and also had a twin-turbo V6, 4.1 liters. Of course, the famous V6 for Buick was the 3.8 liter. Presumably, it's part of the same series, of course. The Riviera pace car was actually based on a commemorative Riviera available in 1983 called Riviera 20, or maybe it's Riviera XX. I don't know. I don't know how the Buick guys pronounce it, but it was commemorating 20 years of Buick Riviera. So it has those two-tone tan paint scheme, and I was told the grille was actually a piece that would appear in 1984.
Oh, interesting.
But otherwise, the pace car looks like the 20th anniversary car, but a convertible with modified engine equipment.
It's very cool. It's always very cool to see these pace cars here at Barrett-Jackson.
Absolutely, and we have to thank the GM Heritage Center for letting them go and allowing collectors to buy them.
100%. Well, Diego, thanks for just, looking at these cars with me and exploring their history.
Thank you.
Guys at home, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick glimpse at these vehicles. Remember, if you want to collect your car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. And don't forget about AutoHunter, which is going to be our 7-day online auction.